Here's how we can fix your Android phone when some random calls and random people are calling you, random numbers, right? So here's how we can fix it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So you can get inside your phone app, and inside in here we have the regular stuff like the keypad, the recents, and so on. But when you tap on the three dots in the top right corner and click on the settings right here, you're gonna have the ability to manage some blocking settings. For example, when I tap on the caller ID and spam protection, you can see that as long as it's turned on, we have the ability to identify the spam calls, and you can block spam and scam calls like this, right? So you can block all of them or try to only block high risk ones. So it depends on the option you want to go with, but I would go with this one right here as it's really safe. Right, so you can basically just filter out the numbers which you don't really want to be talking to. And when you tap on block numbers at the top, you also have the option to block calls from unknown numbers. So if somebody has them like hidden away, then you can also block incoming calls from those. And as well below, you can see that we have the ability to add custom numbers which you don't want to be reached at or reached by, right? So let me know if these were the things that you are looking for. I just quickly wanted to show you how you can set that up. So for more videos like this one, subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorials.